I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see Twice's Tsuyu's alcohol-free look. A look that you can wear during the summer season. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. Already done with my skincare, and now I'm going to start with my foundation. I have the BB cream from Mars and Fit Me Matte Plus Wearless Foundation in the shade 330, and this is in the shade, I think it's Rich. So first I'm going with the BB cream. I use the BB cream throughout my face, and then I'm going to use the foundation for places that need much more coverage. I will also use my concealer. That's a different story, but I want the base to be glowy, so I'm trying this. Let's see how it turns out. This has a decent coverage. Taking the foundation with my flat brush and going over.
Wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend.
And now I'm going to use the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Black Noir.
Spend nights. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights. I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even made some plans, got me switching on my
So now I'm going with the L'Oreal True Match Concealer in the shade Golden Amber.
homies. How can I be cool? I've been simping on the low key, breaking all these rules, got me posting shit they don't see. See, I've been trying to spend nights with you where we don't sleep. I can't keep my cool, got me hot.
To highlight this part, I'm using the Wet n Wild powder.
Cool, got me hotter than the stove be. Acting like a fool, not a tool, so don't use me. But when we in this room, go ahead, use and abuse me. I'm just trying to spin.
Okay, I'm just gonna let this sit for like a few seconds, not too much, because I don't want to be bold. I just want it to set. Now I'm going to remove this while I apply the blush from Focalier, which is B11 Natural Beauty. Just smudging the edges of it.
Spend nights, making sure you feel right, giving back rubs and some steel pop.
Okay, we're done with the blush. So now I'm taking Brilliant from the Morphe palette. I'm applying this throughout the mobile lid and slightly above my crease. So I'm just using that. So pretty already. Now I'm going to shift to a different palette. I'm using the Beauty Glazed Berry palette, taking this shade right here for the outer corners. I'm using this small flat brush. Let me focus. See, I'm just taking this much of a product and I'm just going to apply it to the outer corner.
Still pipe, show your ass what real love feels like.
I went two outer corners, so I'm just correcting it. Like, follow your actual outer corners and don't go overboard with this. That's how I usually do, so I just did that.
I just wanna spend nights with you.
Then I'm taking the same shade and going underneath and drawing an aerosol. Yeah, it's more like making a shape for the aerosol.
On the low key, even though I act cool.
I'm just taking this brown from Lakme's Infinity eyeshadow palette. So you need to draw a triangle at the outer end with the brown. I'll just put a reference of my eye over here so you'll know where to draw the triangle.
Lately I've been lonely, trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna fit.
And now I'm taking this gold shimmer from the satin palette, going to apply it throughout my mobile lid.
FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me.
Use your fingers, use your brush, because you just want it to be very light, not too concentrated. Before we move on to the egg yolk, I'm taking this brown shade and I'm going to draw a fake egg yolk.
I just wanna spend nights, spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights, spend
Egg yolk, no egg yolk, the difference. And I'm going with the Beauty Glaze Peach palette, taking this.
nights. I just wanna spend nights, spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights, spend nights.
I'm using Wet n Wild's liquid liner in the shade dark brown.
Yeah, young pretty fly thing, she knows this. Phone filled with videos and poses. Don't need a compliment, just notice. Been trying to get them all in focus. See the line, trying to find where your heart's at. Oh, honestly, please don't mind, let me hold that. Oh, don't need no hoes, I just need you. Window to so my eyes see through.
Since I don't have any individual lashes, I'm gonna use mascara to emphasize my lashes. So first, I'm using the top coat from Etude House Oh My Lash Mascara.
My lows, they go when you're right here. Up part, it feels just like light years. Spend the night, I just need you right here. Right now, you know you're my vice, yeah. The one I need all day and all night.
I'm gonna do 2 to 3 coats, and then I'm gonna use a black mascara. Coat 2.
Stay lit, the pussy so tight, but you gotta stay aware, beware, she might bite when she getting in the mood. Full moon is so bright when the freak's coming out. Got a leash and an ounce, cause I'm food just to keep her as a leash.
So time for the final coat.
On the couch and
Too much sex, you know, with my section, all these things and all, we gon' need a room, trying to spend some nights, getting extra right, then it
And now we're gonna top this off with Circular's Bomb Lash Mascara.
need advice, I just need you soon.
Now we move on to contouring. I'm gonna use Hollow and Tan together.
I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't.
Now we're gonna move on to the lips. Gonna try to get something that looks good on my skin tone. First, I'm using the Miss Blur Glimmer Stick Carrot Red.
Don't see, I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me. I just wanna spend nights, spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights, spend nights. I just wanna spend nights, spend nights.
So we got the red in. We need a pink. Yes, I'm using Demure from Color Bar.
I'm just trying to spend nights, spend nights.
To pink. I've removed a couple of coatings. Now I'm going with Chestnut from Moss. This is to...
20 minutes later.
I feel it looks decent. So I'm just going to go with this. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.
I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me.